Imagine a world where every action, every decision, every choice you make is automatic. No, not in a robotic, mindless way, but in a manner that reduces the energy and effort required to navigate through life. That's the power of habits. They are the unseen architects of our lives, subtly shaping our actions and behaviors. Now, what exactly is a habit? A habit is a behavior that has been repeated enough times to become automatic. It's like a well-oiled machine, running smoothly without conscious thought. The ultimate purpose of habits is to solve the problems of life with as little energy and effort as possible. Every habit that we form, every routine that we follow, can be broken down into a feedback loop that involves 4 distinct steps: cue, cravings, response, and reward. These 4 steps are interconnected, each one leading to the next. The cue triggers your brain to initiate a behavior. It's a bit of information that predicts a reward. Your morning alarm going off could be a cue for your morning run habit. Then comes cravings. Cravings are the motivational force behind every habit. Without some level of motivation or desire, without craving a change, we have no reason to act. So when your alarm goes off, the desire to feel refreshed and energized could be your craving that drives you out of bed for a run. Next, there's the response. The response is the actual habit you perform, which can take the form of a thought or an action. Whether a response occurs depends on how motivated you are and how much friction is associated with the behavior. If it's too difficult, or if you're too demotivated, the response won't occur. Finally, the reward. Rewards are the end goal of every habit. The cue is about noticing the reward. The craving is about wanting the reward. The response is about obtaining the reward. We chase rewards because they serve 2 purposes. They satisfy us and they teach us. Understanding this cycle, we can create a simple set of rules to build better habits and change our behavior. These are the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Make it obvious relates to the cue. We can make the cues of our good habits obvious in our environment. Make it attractive works on our cravings. The more attractive an opportunity is, the more likely it is to become habit-forming. Make it easy is about the response. If we can make our habits easy to adopt, we're more likely to stick to them. And lastly, make it satisfying. If a habit is immediately satisfying, we are more likely to repeat it in the future. The reward is what makes us want to repeat the behavior. In summary, habits are automatic behaviors designed to solve problems with minimal effort. They follow a 4-step process: cue, cravings, response, and reward. By understanding this process and applying the 4 laws of behavior change, we have the power to shape our habits and consequently, our lives.